everyone, good morning. Where your thoughts living right now? Are you focusing on the past, the present, or in the future? So you're either living in the past or you're living in the future. Or you're living in the present. Jesus said, therefore, do not worry about tomorrow. For tomorrow will worry about its own thing, and sufficient for the day its own trouble. So think about it. The past exists only in your memory. So the future exists only in the imagination. Only the present exists in truly reality. So why do we ruin the only moment that exists that we have by fully trouble those not in the places like past and in the future? So, bakit nga ba natin niruruin yung moment na meron tayo ngayon? Kaka-worry natin sa kung anong meron sa atin sa past natin na nagpapa-apekto tayo sa nangyari sa atin at still nakatalit pa rin tayo sa kung anong meron sa atin sa past. Kaya hindi tayo makamove forward. At pagdating naman sa future, we worry kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung gagawin sa future. Marami tayo kung anong pwedeng maging future natin. So, nakaapektuhan na rin yung present moment natin na dapat ina-enjoy natin yung moment natin ngayon, na binibigay natin yung 100% natin sa moment na meron tayo ngayon. Pero dahil kakaisip natin na stuck tayo sa past, tas na nag-worry tayo sa future, hindi natin maibigay yung 100% natin. Sabi nga ni God, bakit tayo nag-worry sa mga bagay-bagay? Because the present moment is sufficient enough to survive. At hindi niya tayo pababayaan. When we trust God with all our heart, God will provide sufficiently what we are needed and wanted at the present moment. Hope na you something sa ating motivational talk today. Kailangan lang, sabi nga, bakit, alam niyo po sa totoo lang, takot akong mag-rest. Pagka, example, meron akong rest day na makakatulog ako ng tanghali, ayoko, pipili ko release yung sarili ko. Kasi para sa akin, pag nag-rest ako, marami akong oras na masasayang. But God allow us to rest. Why? Because when we rest, that is the only thing that God give us the best moment of our life. Also, to build relationship with Him and to have relationship with Him. Kaya God wants us also to rest and to have peace in mind. Pero dahil kaka-worry natin sa mga bagay-bagay, nawawala yung peace of mind na dapat na meron tayo. Nananakaw yun, yung present moment na yun. At sana hindi gano'n. Kasi sa mga panahon na kailangan mo mag-rest, sa mga panahon na present moment na kailangan mo yung at-peace ka, that is the moment na pwede mong magkaroon ka ng moment kay God. That's why God allow us to have rest and to have peace at the present moment. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone and God bless.